Hello everyone and welcome to our submission project for the Near MetaBuild Hackathon. We chose to build a decentralized Instagram, more like a decentralized social media platform where users can upload images which will get stored at a decentralized Web3 storage. And an interesting feature is that, of course, there is going to be the commenting, the likes, etc. But an interesting feature is that you can also mint an NFT out of the image that you have uploaded, which will eventually show up in the marketplace and which can be bid and bought as well. So I'm just gonna show a quick demo of how we can upload an image and then mint it to show you that it will also turn up in the marketplace. What you see on the right hand side is an added feature which is not yet enabled in its entirety. But the idea is to use oracles and be able to pull the latest news from the web and show that. So as you scroll through social media, you also see things of your interest, some hashtags that you browse often, news regarding that, etc. Right. So let me start with the demo. I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to choose a file. Let's go and upload. So as I submit this, this is going to the web3 storage to be pinned. So as web3 storage is a bit slow, we are going to be refreshing here and seeing if the status is queued. As you can see that the image, the status of the image is that it's still queuing. So we'll wait it out a bit and see it reflect on our platform. So it's not reflected as of now since it's not yet pinned. You can see that the images are pinned now to IPFS. So now that we will refresh our page, we should be able to see these images uploaded on our platform. So you can see that blockchain for kids, an internet ecosystem that we recently pinned, and the one that we pinned before, I pinned it twice by mistake, looks like. But the interesting feature is that we can also mint this as an NFT. So if I would want to mint this as an NFT, you can see that this is also loading. I can click on mint NFT and I can provide the minimum bid amount. So let's say I want to provide 5 NEO. So as this gets minted, so I'm minting an NFT. As you can see that this is a transaction call over the testnet. I'm now going to be looking at the marketplace to see if my NFT is minted. My minted NFT is here and the price that I had set 5 near has also come. The creator is me who had created this image and uploaded onto the marketplace. Of course, there are a bunch of interesting things that we can do with this decentralized Instagram. The oracles that we spoke about earlier, data coming from various oracles, enabling things like comments, likes, and even adding a small tip bot where you can tip the content creator are definitely some interesting features that we are looking at. And we are excited to submit this presentation for the Web3 storage partner bounty, and looking forward to seeing if we can work on this on the future as well. My teammates and I are really excited to have been given an opportunity to work on this project, and we are happy to take any feedback that is there from the community, from the judges, and other awesome folks. Thanks everyone.